Hi everyone, this is the third vlog from this series India to UK, and starting the vlog with the puja as a ritual. And yeah, of course, I'm quite excited because it's finally packing time. Damn, it's so long. Sorry for my bad voice, it's kind of breakable due to some cold. तो मैं नर्वस हो जाता हूँ वॉइस ओवर के टाइम, बट आई यूज टू इट. And after that, of course, I'm going for packing. But my mom told me how to do this puja, and I know it how to do it. Okay, I know it. ये मैंने थोड़ा रुक किया, ऐसे ही ट्राई किया कि कैसे इसको अरेंज करूँ. बहुत सारे बटन थे, बहुत ही सारे. तो फिर मी मॉम एंड डैड, लुक एट दिस, ओह माय गॉड, कैसे भरा पड़ा है पूरा. It's so full, like a lot of things we have to cover to take with me. And ऐसे ही देख रहे थे कि कैसे इसको अरेंज करें, कैसे करें, कहाँ पे कौन सा सामान रखे. फिर मेरे भाई को बुलाया मैंने, he helped me. क्रेडिट तो नहीं दूंगा उसको, of course, but yeah, of course he helped me. Then look at him, कैसे जमा कर रहा है पूरा. Hashtag Alice in the chat, W in the chat, W for Alice. And about unboxing, oh my god, this is the bonkers con which I bought, and of course it's so good, so damn good. मैं ये unbox कर रहा था, personal favorite, Caesar one. Sorry, my voice will be so bad, I know that. I have a terrible cold. ये कैसे कर रहा था मैं unboxing? Complimentary later. Thank you so much for this one. Hashtag bonkers corner. This is the black one. Sweatpants. And of course, I'm really excited to wear it. अभी तो इसकी बहुत खराब हालत हो चुकी है भाई साहब. And another one, which is a little bit of dark gray. It looked like olive green or something, I don't know. This is the beige one, my favorite one. It cost me a lot, man. Oh my god, this Nazara unboxing, which is the perfume of Seoul. अभी तो मैंने काफी देख ली है. I am obsessed with perfume and cute clip ever. Then ये थोड़ा time lapse because I have to pack a lot of things. So then ये मैंने थोड़े order किए थे, ये small organizers, and it's easy to carry with them. It's so good. 10 out of 10. Look at this. It's like a small package. You can pack your clothes in it and then just put in a bag. मैं थोड़ा अरेंज कर रहा था, अभी तो ये सब बाकी था. इट्स टू मच. और ये थोड़े क्लिप्स इसके थे. फिर मैं सोच रहा था कैसे कम से कम स्पेस में सब पैक करूं. And this is a kind of lower that I bought from Bonkers, and I tried to put in organizer and then in a bag. तो ये शॉपिंग इतनी हो चुकी थी कि सबको पैक करना थोड़ा टफ हो रहा था, आई थिंक सो, बिकॉज आई गॉट एन ऑर्गेनाइजर विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ लिमिटेड. ये बहुत सारे नहीं आते, थोड़े थोड़े आते हैं, 6 to 5 to 6 or something, I don't know, different kind of packaging. Then again, ये मैं that I bought from H&M, these jeans which is relaxed jeans, and it's so good, so I tried to put in a bag. You can check out as well if you want something like details for the clothes. I can give you the links as well, so just comment on the video. 2 comments, I'll send the link. The black one, which is from H&M. सबको अरेंज कर रहा था, कहाँ रखूँ यही सोच रहा था, क्योंकि पैकेजिंग इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, it's tough. This is the cool tea from the H&M, and my brother again, he helped me. I don't give credit to him again because it's his responsibility to help brother, of course. Then ये तो हो चुका था साइड में. Look at the food that I took with me. It's everything from grains, spices, snacks, chips, biscuits, chocolates, some protein stuff. ये मैंने नहीं लेके गया था, रोटी चोकोबार or something, ये नहीं लेके गया था. The most important, of course, the seeds, the protein seeds, and the Maggie. Yes, Maggie's. I'm not too crazy about Maggie's, but you know, Maggie's, which is kinda love for like every Indian people living abroad. अभी मेरे को पता चल रहा है इतने टाइम रहकर, और ये सब स्पाइसेस एंड ऑल कुछ अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. ये मेरे भाई ने किया था, ऑफ कोर्स. मैं सिर्फ वीडियो क्लिप कैप्चर कर रहा था. दैट्स इट. ही इज क्वाइट अ चैम्प ऑन इट. आई कैन डू इट एज वेल, बट मेरे को उससे करवाना था, सो फिर यही. लेकिन वो अच्छा है, हेल्प करने में वो अच्छा है. Oh my god. And my mom and me, we are just, giving advice like, भाई तू ऐसे रख, ऐसे नहीं तू ऐसे रख. And those all are my skincare products, which is from Medium Saffron, Bath and Body Works, some saffron conditioners, serums, face wash, moisturizers, sunscreen, toners. Fuck, I'm using a lot of products because it's essential. It's an essential, This one which is the most expensive one. I'm not saying that because like some leave it. So I bought this one, which is Bath and Body Works. And this one is a small and cute daily clean balm, which is fucking expensive. It cost me a lot more. You know what? It is what it is. And this one, which is my expensive one products, which is also from Zara, my perfume and jacket. Cute. Okay, this is the chocolates from Dairy Milk. I don't know, cake or something. Then I'll see you in the next one. Take care.